Alright, we're going to set up a new GLP from the factory to a scale. First we have to wire it, and then we'll go through the settings. We'll start on this side.
Stop! This training video on Bizerba equipment is provided as a customer service to Vande scale customers who have purchased Bizerba product from Vande scales in the past. Since 2015, Vande scales has stopped selling Bizerba and designed our own weight price labeling product so that we can properly support our valued customers. The Vande scales weight price labeling product is specifically designed to endure the rigors of the processing plant environment, being extremely robust. The Vande scales weight price labeling equipment is designed to be lower cost to purchase, easier and simpler to operate, much lower cost to maintain, much lower cost to service, and easily serviced by your own technicians while being washdown capable and extremely durable. We have felt your weight price labeling pain over the years and promise not to overprice parts or services, keep the design simple, and use normal industry available parts. Vande Scales still has a large inventory of Bizerba parts that we will eagerly offer substantial discounts to you on. If you have not explored the Vande Scales weight price labeling equipment, you owe it to yourself to have a look. We are confident that once you understand the advantages, you will purchase Vande Scales weight price labeling product.
By taking off this cover here. And we'll take off these top screws up here. Now we'll go over to the other side, take these screws off here. We'll then take these two screws off that hold the A to D card in. We'll take the A to D card out. Alright, we'll wire our load cell through the cord grip in the back. And then up to here on the A to D card. Right here on the A to D card, it'll show you the letters. SP plus and minus would be your excitation. R plus and minus would be your sense. The E minus and plus is the signal. And the L is the shield. Once you're done wiring up your load cell, you can put your AD card back in its spot and screw it back in. Through this hole, you'll see a little switch in there. This will need to be switched for calibration. This will be the seal switch. We can start putting it back together now. Now we're ready to put the bracket onto the screen. The screen simply plugs in here. And then snaps on the bracket. The machine is default in German, so we'll go to mode 5 by pressing the key button and then pushing 5 and entering the password. We'll then go to service, language, and then change it to English. And then press OK till you get back. Now that we changed the language, we're ready to start setting up the scale and doing the scale configuration. For that, we'll first go into mode 5 again, enter the password. Once we're in mode 5, now we can go into mode 6. Once we're in mode 6, we'll go to scale configuration and the IADW40 and the IADC40 number of scales. Sometimes this will be set up and say without IADC40. This one was default on one scale already. If it is set to default on without IADC40, you'll need to change it to 1 and then it'll ask you to reboot. We can then go back with the OK button, go to weight types, make sure this is pound by 0.01 and the scale range is set to 15 by 0.01 pounds. Now we'll go into the scale configuration again, IADW40. We'll go into the IADC40 configuration, accept this window. Now we'll hit the stable and filter button, which is F2. Okay, now we're going to set the QSF filter. This needs to be changed to yes, which is done by pushing the plus and minus button. Press OK. The editor is being exited. Save data. Yes. Now we'll hit the OK button until we get back to adjustment and factors. We'll set the EEPROM number. That's 1154. Hit OK. It'll ask you to enter it again. Hit OK. The EEPROM data should be 11803F20, which is set right. Hit OK again. The A to D card is now configured. We'll hit the OK button until we get back to the regular mode 6 screen. You can also just press the key and go back to 6 at any time. Now we'll go through the calibration process. We'll start by going to scale configuration, the IADW40, IADC40 configuration, accept this window with the OK button, and then we'll go to adjustment and factors. We'll now go into the scale adjustment. It'll say provide a zero load. If there's no weight on your scale, press OK. Now it'll ask for a maximum weight, which is set at 15 pounds. Place your weights on the scale and then press the OK button. After you calibrate the full scale weight, it'll ask you to finish with 0, take your weight off, and then press the OK button. Now that we're done with calibration, we'll switch the switch back to off to seal the machine. And put the cover on. And then this cover over top of that. After everything is complete, turn the machine off and then wait a little bit and reboot it again.